On 1st of October 2017, Microsoft launched Microsoft 365 Education. This is a free offering where students and teachers are eligible for Office 365 education, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and now Microsoft Teams, plus additional classroom tools. All you need to get started is a valid school email address. Hello everyone, I am Ashish Thorat, and in this video we will see how to register for Microsoft 365 Education and start using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote for your studies for free. More than 5 years back, I had created a video about using Office 365 for education. You can check out that video from my channel videos. Do watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my latest videos. So let's get started. In order to register for Microsoft 365 Education, you have to navigate to this URL. You can find the URL by searching Microsoft 365 Education in a search engine like Bing or Google. I have also provided the URL in the video description below. So to register for Microsoft 365 Education, enter your school or college email address and hit the Get Office for Free button. You will be redirected to a welcome page like this. That's it. Now let's get started to explore what is the program offering. So this is the page where you are redirected once you have registered. So they are showing some guides over here. Take notes and stay organized with OneNote notebooks. Brainstorm together in Word. Documents are always with you when you save to OneDrive. Work anywhere with Office 365 on the web, desktop and mobile. That's it. Great. So now I'm having OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Sway. Wow, lots of applications. Let's open Word and see. Okay, it's allowing me to create new documents. All Word features are available in this version. So let's name it my first document and it's saved. Great. I'll close this. Let's navigate back. Oops. Okay, here is my document. These are all the apps that are available. I'll go back to the dashboard. And here is the new document that was created is showing up. Okay, now I've got an option to share it with someone. I can download it for offline use. I can pin it if I have multiple documents over here. And I can also open it in Word Online. And open it in Word, I guess we'll open this in the desktop version. Okay, so Word desktop is selected over here. I'll hit in a moment. This window is appearing. Okay, so I need to sign in and all these things and so that it will be opened on my laptop. I'll just close it for now. So now we know that this can be downloaded offline. I can also create Excel files, PowerPoint, OneNote and all those things. And all this is coming for free. You can navigate to settings over here, choose your themes, change your password and all those things. These are all the options available in settings. So there's a default theme selected. Okay, there are lots of themes available. Let's go and select this one. This one looks nice. Let's save it. Go back to my page and try to reload it. Let's see if we get our new theme. Yes, our new theme is also applied. Great. So in short, using Microsoft 365 Education, you will be able to collaborate on documents together. You will be able to invite small or large teams to work with you at the same time within Word, Excel or PowerPoint 2016 or Office Online. Easily add, respond to and track all updates in a single version of your document. Using OneNote, you will be able to organize class materials and prepare assignments with handwritten text, web content, even audio and video from your devices. Then easily collaborate with students and colleagues. So these were the easy steps for registration and a quick demo. I hope you found this video helpful. You can check out some related videos from the playlist section of my channel. I hope if you even gained some new information from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. And as always, thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.